Here is the garden. 1 hour before the snowstorm gets here. It is January 21st. It's about 34 degrees. Here's a quick update. Like I said, an hour until the snow starts. We're supposed to get 5 to 7 inches with a low of 23. Here are some poncho seedlings, some loquat seedlings that I'll be grafting onto. Feijoas, they're obviously going to be fine. Mexicola seedlings, another poncho. Here's my big poncho. It's all pushing out flowers. I am not protecting any of these trees today. I have some grafted trees in the shed, but I just wanted to do a little experiment. This is a fantastic avocado right here. Let's see, Awari Satsuma, dwarf Namwa that I got a massive rack off of. This is a Harvey lemon, a couple grafted trees. Yeah, this is grafted onto a fantastic rootstock. It's called a jade avocado from Gainesville, Florida. This is just cover crop in these raised beds. I got it. These seeds just started germinating in this one. This is a seedling orange tree. We don't know how old it is. We think it's about 100 years old. The last freeze that we got to 20 degrees, it completely defoliated and obviously came back. I got about 600-700 fruit from this tree. Here is the shed with the usual suspects. And I will give you all updates as this storm rolls through. We're expecting 5 to 7 inches. So should be, haven't had a storm like this in a century. So look forward to sharing it with you. Okay, it is 3 o'clock on the 21st. The snow has started. It's gonna get down to 21 degrees tonight. We're expecting 5 to 7 inches of snow. Incredible. I will update periodically as we get more. All right, here's my poncho avocado. It is 3:40 and we are officially getting dumped on. Pretty unbelievable. It started snowing about an hour and a half ago, and it is really coming down. All right, it's 4 o'clock. Look how much more accumulation. These are the poncho seedlings. I'm gonna leave them out. I've got more in the garage. This is a test. See how hardy they really are. Loquat seedlings. But good Lord, look at this accumulation. 5 to 7 inches is the call. The low is below 20 now. Unreal. Okay, 5 o'clock update. The whole yard is covered. It looks like about inch, maybe inch and a half of snow. Poncho and fantastic avocados are settling in. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it's 5:25. You just saw that was an inch and a half of snow thus far. Feels like more, and I'm sure we're gonna get another 2 to 3 times as much tonight. The ultimate test for these avocados, which are getting ready. Some have already pushed flowers, like those frosty flowers. So the poncho, it's been about 3 years in ground. I don't know, I'd say this caliper is about 3 to 4 inches. Fantastic, Awari Satsuma, Dwarf Namwa. We'll see. 5:25 update. I might do one more tonight and then in the morning tomorrow. All right, this is the last update for tonight. Poncho seedlings, loquats. Looks like we're about 3 inches of snow. It's 6 o'clock. And we've got heavy accumulation. All right. Touch base in about, I don't know, 12 hours. I said I wouldn't do any more videos, but I decided to do one more. It is 10:45 and still snowing. We should have another hour or two of snow, and holy crap. It is just unbelievable. Look at this little critter tracks. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even gonna mess with it. I just want to see. I mean, I can already see a little bit of leaf damage on the poncho. No, actually, no, that might not be leaf damage. Well, we'll see. It's all an experiment. This is at least 3.5 years in ground. I've got the, we can't really tell right now, but I built the structure around the graft, so the graft is insulated. Huh. The weight it's slouching all these branches pretty hard. That's crazy. It's just got so much weight of snow. Wow. This is just so cool. Okay, morning update next. It is 7:30 and 21 degrees currently. It's looking like about 4.5 to 5 inches here, and everything is pretty damn cold. The ultimate test for these avocados, you know, based on past experiences, you know, it takes a week or so, maybe longer, to truly see the effects of the severe cold. And in those instances, it was multiple days of low 20s, high teens, never any snow like this. So this is kind of a true experiment. But I mean, the whole yard, everything. Here are the poncho seedlings powering through. I don't even know. The citrus is doing, again, yeah, you can tell these leaves are smacked around. It'll take a couple weeks to see if they defoliate. Namwa, obviously unhappy, uncovered, unprotected. But who knows? I think it'll survive. Owari Satsuma. This is the lemon, the fantastic, and the poncho. All right, that's the 7:30 update. It is 1 o'clock the following day. Everything is slowly thawing out. It's 34 degrees. The sun has thawed out all these leaves. To me, I can't fully tell, but it seems like there's some minor damage on some of these leaves, not all of them. For instance, you can kind of tell. So this poncho seems like it's going to be just fine. Flower buds continuing to push. But again, time will tell. We will have another update in about a week to see if there's any defoliation. The fantastic doing well. I don't even see any sign of damage really. Owari Satsuma has seen better days. Same with the Harvey lemon on its end roots. This actually did pretty good. You can see it's still, so this it's doing all right. These poncho seedlings are not looking too hot, but it was all part of the experiment. We'll see about this tree. And lastly, the majority of my potted plants are fully protected in the shed. Seedlings over there. Yeah, got several different grafted trees. Well, that is the update, and I will post follow-ups in about a week to see the true extent to the cold damage. All right, thanks guys.